a matter of if, it's a matter of by how many. The great Liverpool Football Club will be leading the EPL come January. By all indications, the lead will be bigger than the 7-point Christmas advantage that evaporated last season. And the Liverpool haters and the Man City fans will be quick to remind us that these Liverpool players have never won the league and they have a record of choking under pressure, while the City players know how to win and are serial league champions and Ray and Tay. So all things remaining equal, Liverpool will choke again and City will chase us down and nip us at the line again. But let me say this. All things did not remain equal between last season and this season. Manchester City are not the marauding force they were last season, whether it's due to injury or fatigue or both, while Liverpool is a better, more improved team, playing with the confidence and self-belief of being European champions. Liverpool coach Jurgen Klopp is exuding supreme confidence, while Pep Guardiola is panicking. Then you add Leicester City as a spoiler that was not there last season. And I said all of that to say that Man City are still the favorites.